Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Please, we were solving this question other time on Venn diagram, three set problem. So we'll be continuing the same thing by completing the rest of the question. So the first question says we should visualize it on a Venn diagram. So this is the visualization of it. We represent it in a Venn diagram. The second one says we should find the number of students who stayed short. Biology and physics only. So my P is small. This is my P. So this is biology, this is physics. Only is here. This is aspect A alone. So the second one says we should find the physics and chemistry only. Physics and chemistry only. C only. Then you have to find B, which is biology and chemistry only. Then the number of students who couldn't partake in any of the subjects, which is X, or we call it the complement. They are not part of anything. They don't want to involve themselves in doing anything in the class. So without much wasting much time, let's get started. So let's drop our solutions here. This question, it is very, let me say, funny or fun, because solving it is somehow fun. Yes, that's why I choose to solve this one. And so you can see we have different variable. So this one, automatically we are going to solve what we call simultaneous equation in two variables. So let's get started and see. In Venn diagram, we know that when we add this region, this whole cycle, it will give us 16. If that is true, then let's get started. We have what we have in this. We have 6A, 2B. So we have what? A plus what? B plus 2 plus 6. This will give us 16. Then A plus B plus what? This is 8 is equal to 16. A plus B is equal to 16 minus 8. A plus B is equal to 8. Since it is simultaneous equation we are going to deal with, let's call this one equation 1. Equation 1. So we know that when we add this aspect to it, will give us 19, right? So let's name this one 1. Let's come here 2. We have 8 plus C plus 2 plus 8 got to 19. We have A plus what? C plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 19. A plus C plus this 10 is equal to 19. A plus C is equal to 19 minus 10. A plus C is equal to, let's say, 9. Let's call it equation 2. Wow. So let's come to these aspects. This thing is very fun. Just follow and subscribe for us for more mathematical concepts like this. So let's take this one, chemistry. We know that this plus this plus this plus this will give us 18. So let's call it 3. B plus 2 plus C plus 9 is equal to 18. B plus C plus this is 11 is equal to 18. B plus C is equal to 18 minus 11. So B plus C is equal to 7. Equation 3. Can you see? Yeah, sir. That is equation 3. Now, at this stage, we are going to solve it simultaneously. What do I mean by simultaneously? We are going to solve it by combining the variables. So let's write the equations here. We have equation 1, we have A plus B. This is equal to 8. Then equation 2 have A plus C. This is equal to what? 9. Then we have equation 3, right? B plus C is equal to 7. B plus C is equal to 7. Okay, let's try to make one of the variable a subject so that we substitute into another equation. So I'll choose to make B the subject in this equation, in this very equation. So to make B here, so C will go, so it will be B is equal to 7 minus C. This is our equation 5. Is it 5 or 4? It's 4. Equation 4. So let's try to substitute equation 4 into equation 1. This is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Let's substitute equation 4 into equation 1. So whenever we see the B, we put the value of B. So we have A plus what? 7 minus C is the value of B, so it will be 7 minus C is equal to 8. So A minus C is equal to 8 minus 7. A minus C is equal to 1. This is our equation 5. Interesting. Wow, it's very interesting, right? Okay, let's move on. Now, we can see that we have A here, we have A in equation 2, we have C here, we have C in equation 2. So let's bring them together and solve it simultaneously. Then we have equation 2, this is equation 2, we have A plus C is equal to 9. A minus C is equal to 1. When we add them, this one is negative, it will take this one off. So you have 2A is equal to 10. 1 plus 9 is 10. So we divide 2 by what? We divide 2 by 2. So A is equal to 5. Wow. I don't want to use any other alternative, so I'll just be substituting the values, then we solve for another variables. So let's substitute the value of A into equation 1 and see. When we substitute the value of the value of A into equation 1, you have what? 5, because 5 equal to A here, plus B is equal to 8. So B automatically is equal to 8 minus 5. B is equal to 3. Then let's solve for what? The third variable, which was C. So we are going to substitute either A or B into any equation to find the value of A. So let's say I have C here. I have C here too. So let me choose this one. So A plus C is equal to 9, right? So we know that A is 5 plus C is equal to 9. So C is equal to 9 minus 5. C is equal to what? 4. So C is equal to 4 in this case. So in this case, let's take, let me draw some line here so that we can work the rest of the work at this side. Hope you all can see well. Okay, so the question says we should find the number of students who study what? Biology and physics only. Biology and physics only. So biology and physics only is what? This aspect alone. A alone. So the value of A is what? So question 1. The value of A is equal to what? 5. So it's only 5 students. The second question, we should find what? The number of what? Students who study what? Physics and chemistry only. Physics and chemistry only. That means physics intersection chemistry only, because when we include the two, it means that biology is also part. So physics intersection chemistry only is this aspect alone, because this aspect alone belong to chemistry and belong to physics at the same time. So the number that we have there is C, but the value of C is 4. So the student that study physics and chemistry only is what? 4 is equal to 4 students. Then the last one, this one we're not asked, but we have to find it. So let's find the number of students who say biology and chemistry only. So it's B only. It's B only. Is that not it? It's B only. So the number of the number of B is equal to what? It's equal to 3 when we are solving. So the second one is equal to 3 students. Is that not it? Now, the last question says we should find the number of students who does not partake in any of the subjects or any of the questions or subjects. So at this point, let's pick it. It's X. So we are going to add everything. Okay, let's use the cover-up method here. We know that this aspect plus this aspect is 16. So we are going to use that cover-up method. So we are taking 16, which it means that we are covering this aspect, the 16 here. So we take 16, then we add this one. Then we have, let's take 16. Let's count here. 16 plus what? Plus 9. Plus C is equal to 4. Plus 4. Plus 8. Plus the X is equal to 38. So this one is equal to 25. Plus what? Plus 4. Plus 8 plus X is equal to 38. This plus this is equal to 25 plus this is equal to 29. Plus 8 plus X is equal to 38. This plus this is equal to 37 plus X is equal to 38. Then X is equal to 38 minus 37. X is equal to 1. So the number of people that does not donate, that refuse in the class to study the subjects, they are hot. 1. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment. Share it to your learning colleague. We will be dropping another video on different topics. Thank you for watching. Bye.